Hey buddy, what's up?
Okay, Lumo. Let's go.
What is this thing?
Any ideas? I'll be right back.
Cheer up, humans.
Pizza, Chinese.
Sorry, I'm vegan.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Fancy a flyer?
Whoa.
You're welcome.
Okay, Lumo. Go.
Sir, yes, sir.
Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to find studs in your wall. First, choose your wall type. Here it's drywall. First step is to calibrate WALABOT. When calibrating, WALABOT must be directly on the wall. Then press start. Move in a large circular motion until calibration is complete. When scanning the same wall, there's no need to recalibrate. However, if you're moving to a new wall, you should recalibrate again. Select Images mode. It will show you a visual image of studs, pipes, and wires. Place WALABOT on the wall and start scanning in a straight line. Here WALABOT has found a stud. To make sure you're on a stud, you can pass it and then come back to it. We recommend you move up and down over the stud to verify its location. When the arrow's between the dashed lines, it's time to get your drill. For best results, make sure your phone and WALABOT are lined up together. WALABOT must be held vertically to find vertical studs. To find horizontal studs, rotate WALABOT and keep searching.